Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, purple color, red color, orange color, parrot color, sky blue color, green color, and the last one is pink color. Now let's color the turtle. So what sound does a turtle make? Our turtle says, how many turtles can you see on the screen? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 turtles.